Dan go na man for buo from say to force economic management no e wo paper so efe. But in reality ente sa.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem be say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
A banko. The PNU go to the Fojuma. The PNU go to the Fojuma.
That not a Sanja Nanja no or complaining.
Yes, could you not could loan our banker interest rate above from, but you are grab a junior.
So you Kn0w.
That is the reality on the grounds. And the people say what's more. Dan go na man for buo from say to force economic management no e wo paper so efe. But in reality ente sa. Ole se bia woni dwom. Ko po bia wo dwom na bisa no. No ko twa toni ma wo sa no asaso na akofie. Sika ye de be toni ma no. Ya be sell you free market ni mu ko. What kind of economic management is this? And then Biamika, yet for you team, and yet at to force a person called a Ghana and get inflation.
And
that Dr. Kwame for you're maintaining a chair yet. Let's go from a digger.
And also from Mafu, yenya single digger.
Let's go from the digger.
Eh?
I did not to force and Kwame and I say, yenya single digger inflation, Sikani crew. What kind of economic management and I to force to do my Ghana and Nemuno? President Mama. My Ghana phones and Paco Trefiro, what should be the floor and woman? Let's feel it. It shouldn't just be on paper. And then, yes, sir. Yeah, you catch no. You have 10 years for a century, but we can't send the cemetery at some baby. At this sense, I won't know. The economic management are to force the managing Ghana economy, dear.
Adabraka.
I'm here to see that theory.
Adabraka.
And what thing? And quite yet. Kn0w, my penny. Kn0w. But say, and yet under at to force in Ghana, and a single digit inflation. Under the attack of blood for ye, sustaining the chair, still as a Kn0w. Under the Professor Jennifer Satanos. Let's go come and did it. And then the ministry said, Kn0w, say at to force in your release. And when we so we are at to force a deputy.
I am
that or a agric minister. Okay, so releases can be argument. I can't remember the call. You know, most ministers almost come. You have to force and release. Now, hey, we release it, and then I don't know. O man is here penny. O man is here penny. O man ya to celebrate the tax for Abaji ni nyina sako. Ya ntuzmu ya to nkania bu. To akatwa na yetu bu be 10% no. Ya to nkania bu be 24%. Atwem ni nyina de ko. Ti wo to akatwa me yeden. Enso de mayo.
Dabi.
Kanse ti ade bo mayo. And as I can force ni pa boni 70. Ya si ampre mo mutu ko ya. O fa de yesu kwam.
Ai be su kwam mo.
Na da bi oso okon na oso waja na okon. No asa no asa loading. To sa free no asa.
Ye first saying. Ama efi amasama akọ kaso a se kwan ne nye enti drivers no omoje 10 cedis 20 cedis 50 cedis enya sa wontimi nko
tale ade ama 40 so mampani man 40 so me see the economy looks good on paper it is super some year the mabrofo they are fine
e Abyssinia da kra
Ghana for your bottom ni there his excellency The 3% inflation is not reflecting in our pocket. It's not. Who be another? If you know baby on your dear, oh say you then Yamia say, but majority of Ghanaians are suffering. There be a catch me, Jamaica catch us in the name of one. Goodness, na me, I'm your truth for, na me can't correct. Say Jamaica catch the name of one, na me your truth for. But no crow me as a name of one from no.
Ubenya prepaid meter wom. Wo say yen toro. Wo di ani na yen jintum. Inti sisa President John Dramani Mahama ba power. TV station na wo say President John Dramani Mahama obe create dia ma sa creative art for no. Sa TV station na wo hemfa. Ye GBC TV station kura ye hu ano. Ye GBC a whole of national television. Ukofodo do se na ehwe a whole of national television. Ukobrotia one biggest TV right a BBC. And other channel, other TV stations so all. Oba Ghana ha your biggest government TV station GBC could I say. GBC could I say. GBC kwase etimi nya kukuduro ebe gina Ghana fo anim ka kire Ghana fo se sa digitalization ni yandada etimi nya kukuduro be gina Ghana fo anim se President John Dramani Mahama be ye Ghana omampanyini a wo be create TV star channel e dia ma creative art fo wo a wo tonyom wo a wo ye movie such a way you be obesha wo movie and na so obesha wo nyomo no sa obechiaka na sa right na akosa nimpa kono sisi President John Dramani Mahama na wo power e de na wa ya fa ho asem na wo ankata bekutanta na wo ba bontin 2024 wo be kan ye no sisi 2026 mo ya ban na wo power e de na wo ya de ama creative art for e de sisi ya ben e na wo Diego TV station ne way TV station I was say President John Dramani be create. Na ya hwe ayi Ghanaian movie wo ho, ya hwe Black Sheriff nyom, ya hwe Sakode nyom, ya hwe Satawale nyom, na ya Tweaa ne sa TV station na wo ka ho atam na we. Sa TV station ne we. Sanka ya dia wo ba be ye campaign. Na wo kasa bebre. Na wo wabamba power. Na wuntimi nye ena Ghana youth
so ena da no se mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo ad Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko eno ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency on my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom ko another African country to cause the independence. For the first time in the history of the country we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones it really component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kwa kede was say go to me say oh, I mean say almost same people ya comfort. Name my comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na most of them ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors most of them ya comfort. You say any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu we asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no ba or no the credit scoring system, but I must open conketing. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ya nketin ya adwen nketin ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nketin. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nketin. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open nketin. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire Agyeta ndama ni ma say o mema was come to butu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo say da bi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agyeta ndama ni ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay nye beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi am
say dey ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no we former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma oda and onya juma oda amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boy.
O si sa asem na Listen for the first time. Namwa and kwa pe baby akwakoda and namwa yes. Now just say was in ukra during say state institution we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka bro.
Problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or council of state member or company to good. A year before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as maintain mo ase ba wone nipa no ne business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company momo buy who take your statement. Ama grant me momo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. Uko court no. Court will really the tiao. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko we a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already no what's what fizzy on my account. Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the oil unique case. What ferry a koda fe the old defediana, a fidel was by us say, and ye, Mokra made a mempemubium, a jumura nankasa me penatino. We invite 10 and our my no issue document say, were you fugitive? Ah, Johnny. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are. Oh. On Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my Agyeta.